Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need your IBAN number on Payoneer? Here's how you can find it in just a few seconds. First of all, sign into your Payoneer account using your email and password. I'm already logged in, so once logged in, click on the Get Paid tab at the top left of your dashboard. Now, select Receiving Accounts to see all your available currency accounts. Click on the currency account unit like Euro. Here you will find your IBAN, bank name and other details. You can now use it to receive international payments hassle-free. That's it. Easy, quick and secure. Now you are ready to get paid with Payoneer. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.